everyone, we're going to find the limit as x approaches 0 of 1 divided by x times the quantity of 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 and minus 1. All right. So the first thing let's simplify this and get our common denominator for this. Clearly, if you substitute in a 0 here, it's going to be undefined. So let's write this as the limit as x approaches 0, 1 divided by x, and then we're going to have 1 minus, our common denominator is going to be square root of x plus 1. Basically, just multiply those two, so it's minus square root of x plus 1. Now that we have that, let's go ahead and multiply our numerator by the conjugate. And we're going to use this difference of squares formula. So this is going to be the limit and basically it has the form right now of 0 divided by 0. So multiplying by the conjugate, we're going to get 1 divided by x, and then we're going to have 1 minus square root of x plus 1 times 1 plus square root of x plus 1, and then divided by square root of x plus 1. You also have to multiply this by whatever we multiplied the numerator by, which is 1 plus square root of x plus 1. All right, let's see what we get. For our numerator, we're going to have the limit as x approaches 0, and this is going to be 1 minus, and then we're going to have our b part's going to be x plus 1. And denominator, I'm just going to put this x here, x times the square root of x plus 1 times 1 plus square root of x plus 1. All right. Now, what's going to happen in the numerator, the ones are going to cancel. So basically, you're going to have negative x divided by x times the square root of x plus 1 times 1 plus square root of x plus 1. Now, these x's can cancel, and you're left with negative 1. So now let's see. And if you with the x in the numerator, you have this form here. So now let's see what we get. We're going to have the limit as x approaches 0 of negative 1 divided by square root of x plus 1 times 1 plus square root of x plus 1. All right. Now, let's go ahead and substitute in our 0 and apply the limit. This is going to give you negative 1, square root of 1 for this piece. 0 here, this is going to be times 1 plus square root of 1. All right, so this is going to give me negative 1. This is just 1 times 2. So our final answer is going to be, our limit is negative 1/2. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.